braking, clutch down, stop before this line here. Nice job. Well done. Even if the lights had been on green, why was it still important for us to wait here? We couldn't clear, but yeah, and that
the
red...
cars were too close to...
Correct, and look at the problem. You've already just mentioned the crossing. Look at the problem that the red car has caused with the crossing. The people are allowed to cross, and that car's just waiting in the middle of the junction, and now it's got no idea when it should go or not. Embarrassing, really, that they're a full licence holder, don't you think? So remember that situation. If you cannot clear a junction, don't go, even if it's on green. Alright? Cracker. Well done.